Hey y'all, it's your girl India, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this top, and it is super easy. All y'all gonna need is a top, any kind of top that you wanna do this on. And then I got this chain from Walmart. You can get any kind of chain you want. I wanted to get the diamond ones, but it seemed like everybody had the same idea at Walmart and was being crafty because it wasn't no more. But anyway, all you need is like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start with cutting right up the top. This video really gonna be self-explanatory about the video, so I might not even have to talk that much. But when I need to, I'll explain what I'm doing. So right here, I'm folding it in so I can see how much of my chest I want open. But now that I'm done, I wish I would have cut a little bit more off because this top was already a little bit big on me. So I could have cut a little bit more off to have it a little tighter around me. But it was trial and error. So yeah, you can cut however much of your chest you want open. Okay, so the next step is to poke holes down the sides of the shirt where you just cut it. I made the mistake of snipping holes in it instead of poking holes, which made my holes a little bit bigger when the chains got through the shirt. But it don't necessarily look bad. I just would have rather poked holes in it instead of snipping now that it's done. But it's up to you. It's a DIY. It doesn't really matter. It still came out cute. But yeah, I'm going to just do that to both sides. Okay, so now for the part that's going to bring the whole shirt together, all you got to do is lace the chain up through the shirt just like a shoestring or however else you want it to be laced up. The string I had was super long, so I was making it a little bit more difficult for myself. I should have cut it before I tried to lace it up, but I cut it at the end. Okay, and that's it, y'all. That easy, that fast. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. And if you want me to make more, go ahead and subscribe. It will be more coming soon. My sewing machine is on its way. I had to order it from Amazon. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I think I'm done now. So bye, y'all.